Alright, so there's a lot of people out there that will hate on Harbor Freight. I had a cover, a tent thing, temporary carport, that I bought from Home Depot. It was a 10 by 12. Cost me $700, almost $800. It collapsed in the snow. This one I bought from Harbor Freight. This is a 12 by 20. Okay? Much larger. Not only is it larger, it seems to be a little better constructed. The tarp material seems to be of a heavier, better quality material than the other one. It definitely has more structural pipes. They're about the same wall thickness, I think. Now, I will say, trying to put this together by myself, very much not fun. Some parts of this are bolted, some are just pressure fit. Whereas all of the Home Depot one was just little spring clips. These are a feature that the Home Depot one didn't have. These go at the bottom of the main tarp and bolt into the legs, which not only strengthens the legs front and back, but also holds tarp down. The other one just velcroed to the legs. And the sides were totally separate. The other one came with little metal straight pins that they want you driving the ground like tent stakes. This one has screw anchors, long screw anchors. Now my really lousy ground here, who knows if I can get them in. Now one thing I added myself, I had these frames from an old, it used to be one of those real nice metal carports I got from an acquaintance years ago. A tree had fell on it. I put it back together, a tree fell on it again. Most of the parts of it are missing, but I still had the bottoms. Well, I set these bottoms out here. They're 20 foot long. I thought I could use the existing post stands, but no, it was a 4 bay, whereas this is a 5 bay. That's fine. Those frames, I put in there and leveled them. They are level front to back. They are measured on the front and back to the exact dimension that the carport's supposed to be, according to the instructions. 11 foot 10 inches. And they are leveled crosswise as well. I used the laser level to make sure this side was level with that side. As you can see on this corner, I do have some backfill I need to do, which I will get that done. I got a bucket of gravel there. Just working on it. The other thing I did is I have fastened these down. Each one of the 4 interior legs is screwed down to that base. It ain't moving. They're level up and down, and they're at the correct angle. The end pieces, when the ends go on, that will set the correct angle on those and lock them in, near as I can tell. Oh, I'm tired. This has been some work getting this done. Let me tell you. Oh, and the best part is, at Harbor Freight, this here carport, truck port, trailer port, whatever you want to call it, temporary garage was $500. Or just slightly above $500. Whereas the smaller, and what I considered less well-made one from Home Depot was $800. So you tell me which one's the better bargain. I like Harbor Freight. They have some really good stuff. Y'all should check them out. Alright. Y'all be safe.